If your electric oven won't turn off, here are the 4 most probable causes. Sometimes, if the bake or broil element is burned out, it can short to the inside of the oven, which may prevent the oven from turning off. If the element has shorted, it will often show visible breaks or blistering. You can also use a multimeter to test the element for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the element tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. The oven control board has relays that send voltage to the bake and broil circuits. If one of the relays shorts closed, the control board may send continuous voltage to the heating circuit. If the oven continues to heat after it is turned off, the control board is likely damaged and should be replaced. Some ovens are equipped with a separate relay board that control the voltage being sent to the heating elements. If one or more of the relays on the board fail, the board may send continuous voltage to the elements. You can replace the relay board with a new one to solve the problem. The temperature control thermostat monitors the temperature inside the oven and cycles the heat on when the temperature drops too low. A defective thermostat may indicate the temperature is always too low, causing the oven to continuously heat. Since the thermostat cannot be easily tested, you should first confirm the other potentially defective oven components are working properly before replacing the thermostat. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven.